If you're watching this, it means you've chosen Renue by Science to be a part of your longevity journey. So let's make sure you get the very best from your NMN powder from day one. The first thing to know is that you've chosen a product backed by science. Our NMN is over 99% pure, independently third-party tested, and manufactured to the highest quality standards. So you know you're getting exactly what you paid for. Now, let's talk about what you can expect once you start taking NMN. One mistake many first-time users make is expecting it to feel like a cup of coffee. It doesn't. NMN works differently. Rather than giving you a sudden burst of energy, it supports healthy NAD levels, helping your cells produce energy more efficiently over time. That's why consistency is far more important than expecting an instant effect. Some people notice subtle improvements within days. For others, it takes a few weeks. Both are completely normal. To get started, take 1 scoop every morning during your first week. After that, you can increase to 2 scoops daily. Mix it with water, juice, yogurt, or whatever fits naturally into your routine. Many of our customers also enjoy taking it straight under the tongue before swallowing because they find it quick, easy, and convenient. Now, before we let you go, let's quickly cover a few of the questions our customers ask most often. Can I take NMN with coffee, food, or other supplements? Absolutely. NMN can be taken with or without food, and many of our customers simply add it to their morning coffee or any beverage of their choice. It also pairs well with many other supplements, including other Renue by Science products, such as resveratrol. What's the best time to take NMN? Morning is generally considered the best time, as it aligns with your body's natural NAD rhythm, and it makes it easier to build a consistent daily habit. Should I take NMN every day? Yes. Consistency is key. Like most wellness routines, the best results come from taking NMN daily as a part of a healthy lifestyle. What results can I expect? Everyone responds differently. Some people notice subtle improvements in energy, focus, and overall well-being within the first few days, while for others, it may take a few weeks. With consistent use, many people report feeling sustained energy throughout the day, better mental clarity, improved recovery, greater resilience, and an overall sense of vitality as part of their wellness routine. Remember, NMN isn't designed to deliver an instant boost. It's designed to support healthy NAD levels, helping your cells produce energy, support normal DNA repair, and function at their best over time. How should I store my NMN? Store your NMN in a cool, dry place with the lid tightly closed. Refrigeration is optional, but can help preserve freshness after opening. Finally, if you ever have questions about your NMN, dosage, or how to get the most from your longevity routine, we're always here to help. Just send us an email or a message on social media. We also offer a range of science-backed products that complement NMN. So if you're wondering what to add next, just reach out. We'd love to help you build the right routine for your goals. Thanks again for choosing Renue by Science. We can't wait to be a part of your longevity journey.